Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MAR3AI token. Now MARS is spelled with a 3 instead of an S. Ticker symbol is MARS. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 11th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So it also goes by the name of Gate.io. So all you'd have to do to get this token is download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on January 11th, 12 o'clock UTC time, you can go into the trade section and search MAR3 and then simply just buy the token. Now this is a BEP-20 token with a max total supply of 2 billion tokens. So MARS is a leading AI social dApp where anyone can make friends and profit in Web3. So that's where the 3 comes from on Mars. So it's for Web3. On Mars, Web3 content creators receive direct financial incentives, marking the seamless integration of the creator economy with Web3. So Mars introduces a novel mechanism for passive income. Any creators can earn a share of revenue generated from group transactions, donations, and referrals. Mars is the top trending social dApp on BNB chain, and our beta app is live on BNB chain and has 150,000 active users in only 3 months, and 20,000 app installs on Android and iOS. So you could find their webpage at MAR3AI, and they also have a full white paper. It's a document section, docs.mar3.ai. So in a dynamic world where tech continuously reshapes the way we connect and create, MAR3AI stands as a pioneer ushering a new era of digital innovation. We proudly present the MARS first AI SocialFi app, a groundbreaking platform at the intersection of artificial intelligence, social finance, SocialFi, and creative spirit. MAR3AI is redefining the way creators, artists, and visionaries engage with their communities and monetize their content. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, we've created an ecosystem where creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or any form of content creator, MAR3AI is designed to propel your journey forward. So the 3 key pillars of Mars is first is the AI generated content. Our advanced AI tools can craft captivating articles, breathtaking visuals, and compelling videos, offering creators the freedom to focus on their core passion. They have SocialFi. So MAR3AI introduces SocialFi to the creator economy. This innovative financial approach enables creators to interact directly with their community, co-own projects, and benefit from a decentralized economic model. And community building. At MAR3AI, we understand the importance of our dedicated fan base. We provide tools to strengthen your connection with your audience, foster loyalty, and foster lasting relationships. So why Mars, the first AI socialfi? You can unlock potential. Our AI technology unleashes the potential of creators by streamlining content creation, providing valuable insights, and enhancing the overall quality of output. Monetization redefined. With socialfi, creators have the opportunity to share in financial success of their projects, establishing a sustainable revenue stream while preserving artistic freedom. It's community-centric, so MAR3AI revolves around the belief that creators and their communities are stronger together. Our platform serves as a meeting place where ideas flourish, dreams become reality, and creativity thrives. Innovation and adaptability. We're committed to staying at the forefront of technological advancements. MAR3AI continuously evolves to integrate the latest AI developments and cater to the changing needs of our users. And Mars, the first AI socialfi, embodies a vision of empowerment, innovation, and collaboration. We invite you to join our growing community of creators, artists, and dreamers, where the possibilities are limitless and the future is bright. It's not just a platform, it's a movement. Welcome to MAR3AI. So they have on their document section all sorts of different things that you could do on the socialfi app, on the app in general. So they go over the, they have the Mars chats, donation, Mars points, credits, airdrops, social to earn, mining, votes, keys, etc. They have, with the MAR3AI, they have the AI text generator, AI video generator, AI art generator, and Mars campaign. They have Mars ID, which looks like maybe that's like a an NFT type of thing. They have info on the token, revenue stream, DAO governance. They have a roadmap on here. So basically the roadmap starts like this. So idea of MAR3AI was born, business model for MAR3AI, build the website, release the pitch deck, release the white paper, build the community channel, launch the ID name service, so that seems to be like the Ethereum name service. Launch the website, testnet, alpha test, 2.0 white paper, mobile app, ambassador program, marketing and growth, airdrop campaign. Then we got IDO and listing, launch the Mars points, airdrop campaign, staking pool, tech mainnet, social to earn feature, growth of users and participation, release the marketplace, votes feature, video AI feature, donations, SDK and APIs, AI model development, and then AI campaign. So check this all out, docs.mar3.ai, and you can find this token newly listed on Gate in January 11th, 12 o'clock UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.